Hello everyone! I just finally got my Dbrand skin in the mail. So I've never put one of these on. I've never had one before. So I thought I'll do an installation video, see how it goes. So they gave me a little microfiber cloth to clean the area. And let's see what's in here. Oh, this is showing you to the video instructions. I'll be playing that as we go along. I'll just put that aside. So I got lovely purple. So yeah, let's put this onto my phone. See how easy it is. So let's give the phone a nice clean. I think they said in the video to do the back first.
Note that your Dbrand skin comes with up to 4 elements:
and find out.
front, back, camera, and logo. A microfiber cloth is also included to help smooth down the edges. Let's begin with the camera. Apply the camera skin with a battle rifle.
Okay, so clearing off the camera bowl. Guess I just peel it off. It's weird. I guess that's good. So far, okay. It takes a while to clean your phone.
Let's move on to the back piece. Remove the skin from the 3M paper and reattach as shown. Align around the camera housing, ensuring that the skin is perfectly straight along the glass edge. Once lined up flawlessly, apply pressure to secure the skin in place. You may now remove the 3M paper entirely and smooth out the back surface.
Once it's lined up flawlessly. Yeah, no worries. No worries. How do you take this off? There we go. Alright, then they said reattach. Like so. And then it's probably going to go out of my other camera view. Maybe I can move my camera. Okay. So this one can only really go in one spot, I guess. That looks about right. Even spacing. That looks pretty cool. Alright. Now it's time to do the front.
Next up is the front piece. Remove the skin from the 3M paper and reattach as shown. Align the skin directly against the metal hinge, ensuring that the skin is evenly spaced on both sides. Once lined up perfectly, apply pressure to secure the skin in place. You may now remove the 3M paper entirely and smooth out the front surface. Finally, apply the logo skin with a plasma rifle. At this point, you may be noticing a sharp edge around the border of your device. Let's take a moment to smooth it down. Grab your microfiber cloth and rub each edge 10 to 15 times. This friction will soften down the sharp edges, making the skin feel like it's melting into the phone. Done. If you have any questions, you know how to reach us.
Okay, this one looks a little bit more tricky. So we fully take it off, then flip it around. Get off my fingers. There we go. Okay. Now we need to line it up. Oh, does that look okay? Alright. Looks pretty sweet. No more fingerprints everywhere. Alright, time for the bumpers. Now I did open this and I was just like, oh yeah, I'll put these on. But I then decided not to because I wanted to get the skin on first and I didn't know if I had to take the bumpers off before I put the skin back on. So yeah, I just didn't. How do you get these out? Oh. So there's that side. And then number 2 bumper. for there and there. Okay, so I'm guessing you just stick them on. Oh, golly gosh. They stick on pretty well. Cool, that's one. And number two. And then last one. Sticky. And this goes all that way. And like that. There we go. They actually feel really nice. Like after a while, I did find that my hands would start getting a little bit sore where the phone was actually nestled into. And like the edges of the phone aren't sharp, but after a while they kind of feel that way because they're so thin. But these bumpers feel really nice. I wasn't sure if I was going to like them, but I think I will. So just making sure they're stuck. But yeah, very nice. All right. Wow, look at that. Looks like a brand new phone. All right. Well, thanks for watching. And yeah, wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be. So that's pretty cool. Might even change the Dbrand skin and get a new cover and then be like a new phone again. Everything still shuts. Everything's still in line. I can use the fingerprint scanner still quite easily. Yeah, done. Oh, great. thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I did. It was kind of exciting to put that Dbrand skin on and get the bumpers finally on. So yeah, I'll let you know how they hold up over the coming months. Yeah, have a great day, guys.